write this letter. My heart's beating fast, too fast for my pain. So I'll be in your arms again. Don't say I'll leave you. Notice all the sweet, sweet kisses once more. Darling, that's what I long for. But